Experience 5G laser cutting with the new Photon 5G by Esprit Automation. Thanks to the aerospace-inspired machine design with hybrid gantry, the Esprit Photon 5G is able to reach staggering vector speeds of 325 meters a minute at 5G acceleration, making it a champion in productivity. To tame the extreme 5G forces that are generated by this powerful machine, the Photon 5G relies on Esprit's signature precision-welded and robust bed and gantry design. Even at these remarkable speeds, the Photon 5G has a positioning deviation of 50 microns and is able to deliver excellent cut quality, even on 25mm thick plates. But there is more. Despite impressing with its technological prowess, the Photon 5G also redefines ease of use. Thanks to revolutionary features, virtually anyone can operate this state-of-the-art fibre laser cutting machine. Drastically simplify your plate loading and positioning process thanks to LiveNest. With just a single push of a button, the operator can start the cutting process, further reducing machine idle time. Cutting last-minute extra pieces has never been so easy with LiveControl. Now your operator can select any single part of any historical nest directly at the CNC, making your overall production flow more efficient. Operate at maximum productivity and reliability without the risk of tilting parts and collisions thanks to Esprit's LiveGuard smart collision prevention. The laser head automatically avoids any possible tilted parts. Save on your energy bill despite the impressive cutting speeds of the Photon 5G thanks to LiveRegen. Excess kinetic energy is efficiently stored and released during the next acceleration movement. The Photon 5G is proudly designed, built and serviced in the UK by our team of expert British engineers.
Amazingly fast.
It's all about speed. Very easy to operate.
Request your cutting sample today or contact us for a free demonstration.